Good morning, YouTubers. I hope you're well. Quick video this morning, so I've had a request. One of you guys wants to have a look at the extraction system that I've put together for my homemade spray booth. So I'm going to give you a quick tour. Here it is. So to start with, I've got this unit here. So I built this unit and put a filter on it. It's got a fan in between the wall, so it draws air from outside and it blows the air into the workshop. So obviously this filter's on there to stop any shit from outside coming into the garage. I've got a speed controller on there that I use to adjust the RPMs of the fan, how much volume of air it's putting into the workshop. Also behind there, I've got something else. Let me show you. So out here is a tunnel that goes to that fan in the wall. And as you can see, I've got a gas heater there, and that's blowing heat down that tunnel. It gets sucked into the workshop. So again, the other side of that tunnel is this unit here with the fan in. So warm air comes down that tunnel, comes through here into the workshop, and then it exits up out of that filter there. So that's another unit that I've built, and it's got a fan there sucking out the workshop. And this is where those fumes exit. They go down that pipe into this bowser, which is full of water. It has a hose connected to it, also spraying a mist of water around the inside. So for me, this is a perfect system to warm up the spray booth and also take all the fumes out the spray booth when I'm painting. It warms the spray booth up perfect. I can also alter the temperature just by going up and down on the speed controller there. So I'll put it on. Put this one on. So now we've got constant flow of air through the workshop, and if you can imagine, I ignite that gas heater outside in that tunnel, it's going to start drawing warm air into the workshop and warm it up perfect for painting. I have a temperature gauge on the wall there, so I can make sure that I've got the room up to ample temperature. And again, I can adjust the temperature from what's coming into the room by this speed controller. And if I whack it right up there, you can hear it's hammering a high volume of air into the workshop. Probably too much for the gas heat to be running at the same time. It would probably put that flame out. But it's really good for when I want to clean the workshop out. So I give it a good blowout, open them doors, and it gets all the dust out the workshop, keeps it nice and clean. So 70 on there generally works absolutely perfect for heating up the room and extracting the fumes out of the workshop. So that's the extraction system on the home spray booth. Another question I've been asked is it safe to spray in the workshop with a heater going? Like a live flame, a naked flame in the workshop. So people use diesel heaters, paraffin heaters, gas heaters. Wouldn't use diesel heater or paraffin heater because I've seen shit landing paintwork before with them. Wouldn't really use one. Generally people use like a gas heaters. I've never known of a gas heater igniting fumes in a spray booth in a workshop, but you never know. I've never known personally of it happening. I know a lot of guys that paint and they use them and painted and used them for years. I've used my gas heater in this workshop for a long time, and in my old workshop for a long time. I've had the room completely filled with fumes like you could hardly see me, and it's not advised, but I've never had the room ignite. Maybe I've been lucky, I don't know. I've never heard of it, but it's not to say it's not possible, so I'll leave it with you. Anyway, that's my quick video today on my home spray booth extraction system. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to have to get back on now with some more work, so I'm going to love you and leave you. Have a great weekend.